At STOBER, we design integral geared motors, the next phase in mechanical progression. Unlike traditional setups that require an input adapter, our geared motors combine the gearbox and motor by pressing the pinion directly into the motor's rotor shaft. This design eliminates unnecessary components, allowing the geared motor to be more dynamic, cooler, and more compact. Motor adapters add extra moving parts that create friction, generate heat, and reduce performance. By eliminating the input adapter with a STOBER geared motor, you get smoother operation, improved efficiency, and a more compact design that saves valuable space. But what about serviceability? Some customers hesitate to buy an integral geared motor because they fear that overall serviceability is reduced, that if one part fails, the whole unit has to be replaced, or that delivery of a replacement would take too long. With STOBER, that's simply not the case. The STOBER service department can ship you a new motor with the pinion already pressed in, ready to install. All you would need to do is provide your serial number. For replacement of just the gearbox portion, we'll send a unit with an input adapter so it's pre-filled with oil and fully tested. Remove the adapter, then bolt the gearbox onto your existing motor. Rest assured that you'll experience STOBER's standard quick lead times, typically just 1 week, and receive replacement components built and serviced out of our U.S. location in Maysville, Kentucky. How easy is it? Servicing a geared motor is simple. First, orient the unit so that the motor is facing up, so that you don't spill the oil. Simply remove the 4 bolts connecting the motor and gearbox, like shown. Gently separate the motor from the gearbox. Note that if you are replacing the gearbox portion of the unit, or you are turning an existing gearbox into a geared motor, this step will be the removal of the input adapter instead. Clean the surface, install the new gasket, and slide the new motor into place. Reinsert the 4 bolts and tighten to the appropriate specification. That's it. Now, your geared motor is serviced and ready to return to operation. STOBER geared motors are built to last, backed by an industry-leading warranty, and designed to be serviced quickly and affordably. Don't let misconceptions hold you back. Choose compatibility, reliability, and performance. Choose STOBER.